Hello and welcome back to Get Healthy Now Mastery. From my heart to your heart, I wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude to each one of you. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to my supporters. Thank you to my channel members. I really appreciate you, all that you have done. November the 4th, 2026 will be 2 years that Get Healthy Now Mastery, since Get Healthy Now Mastery began. And I want you to know, because of each one of you, you have actually helped push this channel forward, and you keep pushing, and you keep pushing, and you keep pushing. And I am truly, truly, truly grateful. And I cannot say thank you enough. I cannot. So come to November the 4th, 2026 will be 2 years. 2 years. And you all, some of you all have been with me ever since I started. You have been faithful. And for that, I am truly, truly, truly grateful. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So if you are listening to this, and if you remember when you subscribed to Get Healthy Now Mastery, if you remember, please put it in the comment section. If you remember the month, it doesn't have to be the day. If you can remember the month that you subscribed, put it in the comment section. Can't even talk today. But I am truly, truly grateful, because it's you who have made the channel who it is. Because of you, we have grown exponentially. And we are continuing to grow. And I am so grateful. Every time I put a challenge out, many of you rise to the challenge. And for that, I am grateful. I am. I really am. And I really appreciate it. I cannot say thank you enough to all of my subscribers, all of the supporters, to all of my channel members. I am grateful. So I want to invite many more of you to come on and join the Juice Masters. Become a channel member. Become a channel member. We will be glad and happy to have you over here as a Get Healthy Now Mastery Juice Master. So come on and join us. Let's have some fun. And thank you for helping me to reach people all over the world. We are actually reaching people all over the world, globally. There's one lady that I know, I really remember from Argentina. She joined the channel back in October 2025. And she has been consistently posting things, commenting. And I just remember, because every time she gets on, she always says who she is, and she says, from Argentina. And I thank you, because we have people all over the world, England, Germany, Russia, Africa, Thailand. Where else? All over South America, Canada. Where else? Well, of course, all here in the U.S. And we are just grateful. Grateful, grateful, grateful. I am grateful for you all helping to push me. I have no idea that this channel would grow as it has grown. I did not know. I had no idea. I just wanted to share my story. I just wanted to share my story with the world. That's what I wanted to do. And you all have helped me to share my story. And on that note, we are pushing for 5,000 subscribers by September the 1st. So I'm asking each one of you to reach 4 or 5, to reach 5. Each one of you to reach 5 to help us to push to 5,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. I want you to just stay with me and see what we are going to be doing. Oh my goodness, in the next few months. I am truly, truly grateful. Stay with us with August. August is coming, and we are bringing in raw August. We are bringing August in on the raw horizon. So come on and join us as we move forward on this health journey. And I am sweating. Yes, join us as we move forward on this health journey. We are making changes. I am going to be doing more than juicing. I am going to be making some raw dishes, raw desserts, raw, of course, smoothies, all of these kind of things that we will be doing here on Get Healthy Now Mastery. So continue to stay with me. And also join my faith walk. In the mornings, I do a faith walk. I walk by faith and not by sight. Join me every morning. And I go live somewhere on the trail. Somewhere on the trail I go live. And usually I leave home around 6, except for Tuesdays and Thursdays. Tuesdays and Thursdays, I leave home around 6:30 because Tuesdays and Thursdays is when I have my sit and be fit chair exercises. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Join me. Join me. Only 20, basically exercise is 20 minutes. I didn't want it to be long because I know people who cannot move as well, and I didn't want to keep them long. However, you can actually go back and look at the video again. You can look at it over and over and over again. That's Tuesdays and Thursdays. Join me on Saturdays. Saturday morning rising, tea time with Margie, 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Join me. Bring your tea. Bring your favorite tea with you. And let's just hang out. Let's just hang out. Again, we got some other things that are happening, but I thank you for your kindness and your patience with the channel as I move forward and learn these YouTube streets out here. Again, I am grateful and I love it. I love all of you. I love the friendship that we are acquiring here on these YouTube streets. I am so grateful. So grateful. Yes, I am. So on that note, I think I have said it all. Again, thank you. I just wanted to come on and say thank you to all of my subscribers, all 3,681 subscribers. So again, please reach out and help me to gain these 5,000 subscribers by, I'm going to say 1,400 subscribers by September the 1st. By September the 1st. And we got some other good things coming up. So stay with us. And you all, I pray that God will continue to bless you, strengthen you, and that God will continue to lift your family up as as we continue to lift you up, as we continue to teach techniques that can help you to utilize and that will cause your body to begin the process of healing itself. That is all. I want you to know I am not a doctor. I am not a doctor, and neither do I work in a medical field. I'm just only on YouTube to share my journey with each one of you, because God has blessed me so, and I am grateful. And I am still on a healing journey. And I know that with you all walking with me, I can reach that progression, that healing progression, with you walking with me. Thank you again so much. And may God continue to bless you, and the peace of God reign in your heart and your mind. On that note, peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.